Hi everyone, I hope you are. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, we've got the CoinsKid crew. So you've got 4 hours and 7 minutes to confirm the break of this resistance just there. Now you can see we have done this quite a few times for XRP. We've come up into it and we've got the wick outside. Okay, so look at all these wicks. So it's a key level resistance that we want to see broken at the minute, because I do think if you do start to break that resistance, you know, and start to confirm and break out and start to come back up the stairs, that's amazing. Okay, because what you're doing here for XRP is you come up impulsively and right now you're retracing, okay, and you're looking for the continuation of the trend and you're coiling up inside this huge horizontal. And like I said to you, if you fall back to this support, it's an amazing opportunity to put a long in. Is it going to come? Potentially. Right now let's take a look at the fib targets. So we're retracing right now to this low, and like I said to you, if you do start to come down and you see XRP lose this low down there at 0.54999, that's really negative and could lead to a beautiful sort of reversal wave coming back down to a minimal target at the 1618 at 40 cents, which would be really negative because you would be losing that low, and that creates that bigger reversal wave that you're actually in, leading to 27 cents I think it is, isn't it? But it's not doing it at the moment. Okay, it's sort of coming up impulsively and you're retracing and you're sort of coiling up for the continuation of this breakout basically. So it's getting really frustrating, isn't it? You know, and what we like to do is trade the confirmation of the breakout. So okay, we're getting a beautiful little wick outside this at the moment. We've got 4 hours to go. Now if you can start to see XRP start to come out here and hold and back test this as support and start to close above that, especially on the 8 hour at 0.75343, then you know you will be confirming a breakout of this key level resistance here, and I would imagine you're going to start to come back up and at least we trace to 0.236, and with that, you know, you start to hold and back test, you get a lovely breakout, and then you're up there on that high, and you know you've come up impulsively, correctively, and you're starting to come back up the stairs and attack that high. Because if you do start to take that out that high, I'm going to show you the impulsive wave targets at the moment. Okay, so this is healthy. You know, it doesn't feel healthy, but you come up impulsively, retrace, and right now you're sort of coiling up for the continuation. Okay, so it's good until you lose that low. Like I said to you, if you start to come down, you're losing that low, you've got a small reversal wave which would see you come back down and test these lows, and that would be negative, because if you start to lose these lows, like I said, you're losing the 1 fib and you're down there on the 1618. Okay, not happening yet, but they're the targets if it does. Okay, and this is what I do, I'll show you everything. So right now XRP, let me show you, is basically trying to break out, isn't it? It is trying to break out, but we do need to see the close above, because if not, you'll have a little throwback into the pattern, coil up, and as you get really close to this apex, you will get some kind of reaction, because that's what happens. You know, if you start to roll, you get really close to this apex and then you get another reaction basically. So if XRP is confirming a breakout here, and you're starting to come back up the stairs, then this would be my target going forward, because what you've done, you've come up impulsively, correctively, and right now you're looking to break impulsively again, you know, putting a new impulsive break, coming back up through the fibs like this, these key levels of resistance. Okay, if you start to come up and break the 1 fib, that would be my minimal target up there, $1.01, and you could see how that could easily take you up like that to that white trend line, where again that could be a key level resistance where XRP starts to reject and come back down and retest that line once more, you know, and you're just caught in this big sort of consolidation range inside a large version of this basically for XRP. So yeah, look, watch this space. No confirmation of the breakout just yet, because we're not getting a close above 0.7548 would be amazing, because you're sort of closing and opening like that, boom, you're going to start come back upstairs and you've got a little breakout, but it's not doing it yet, so don't get too excited. Okay, trading confirmation of the breakout. So that's XRP. You know, hopefully I'll come back to you tomorrow and we've got an explosive breakout, but one thing we do need to keep an eye on is the RSI. If we take a look at the hourly time frame here, yeah, we're quite overbought, to be honest with you, and you can see any time you do start to get up inside this level, the overbought trajectory for XRP, you do tend to start to come back and move in waveforms, and this is where you could actually start to reject over the next couple of hours and start to actually come back down and start to come back in this pattern like that before you do get some kind of reaction towards the apex. You know, whether it's breakout to the upside, amazing, trade on confirmation, loose support, hit resistance, trade on short confirmation as well. So that's basically XRP. Take a look at the 4 hourly time frame. Yeah, it's not too overbought. It's not too bad actually on the 4 hourly time frame. A lot of people like to look at different time frames, you know. So on the 4 hourly, you can see just here, you know, we've got level resistance just there, we've opened just there. So if we can stay up here, get a close above, that's amazing on 4 hourly as well, you know. But if you do start to get rejected, you can see how you start to come back down. Now closing below that key level support just there, I'm going to give you that, would be quite negative on the 4 hour. because you can see that's a key level support 07117. Now if you do start to see XRP close below that, start hitting its head, then I want to anticipate a retest of that white trend line down there. Okay, come to your charts and draw it, because I can't give you it because it's ascending and it changes basically. So that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that little update, but it's sort of caught consolidation. You know, we'll try and trade the ranges as best as we can. Breakout, confirmation, hold back test support, go long. Lose support, hit resistance, go short basically. Take care everyone. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.